There's a lot of excitement online about getting into the medical courier business. There's so many people selling their courses on how to get started as a medical courier, what it takes to be a medical courier. You know, we've been training at Integrity Medical Courier Training. We've been doing this for 21 years. We've been training and equipping couriers literally around the globe on how to properly service their medical clients. I thought I'd come on today and talk a little bit about some of the basic supplies that you'll need as a medical courier. Now, if you're delivering lab samples, whether you're servicing hospitals, laboratories, surgical centers, blood banks, you need to have some basic items, and we're going to talk about that right now. First of all, if you're transporting lab specimens on behalf of a clinic, whether it's routed coverage or stat work, you need to have the proper cooler. OSHA's language states that your cooler needs to be leak-proof, puncture resistant, and biohazard marked. As long as it meets that criteria, you're good to go. So we found this cooler in the camping section at Walmart. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars online buying coolers. You can literally go to Walmart or Target and look for coolers in the camping section. This cooler, I really like it. First of all, don't forget your biohazard sticker must be prominently displayed, must be attached to the cooler. But then again, if you see the inside lining, it's fairly easy to clean. There are lab specimens in this particular cooler. I also like the fact that there is a pouch on the outside, and in that pouch I recommend couriers first of all have alcohol-based rubs. We're a big fan of proper hand sanitization at Integrity Medical. You should have extra gloves with you if you have to double bag a leaky specimen. You should also have some extra specimen baggies with you so you can double bag that specimen. I also recommend that you have a spill kit with you at all times, and you can actually purchase this spill kit on our website, integritydelivers.com. But in our live training webinars, we show you how to use a spill kit. You should always have a spill kit with you. If you're going to transport refrigerated specimens, you need cool packs. They must be frozen. A room temp or mushy cool pack won't keep the specimens cool. So these are just some basic items that you're going to need. The biohazard sticker, hand sanitizers, extra gloves, a spill kit. If you have these items, then you're equipped and ready to service your hospital, laboratory, or blood bank client. Go to our website, integritydelivers.com. Hover over Get Trained, click on online courses. We have got a ever-growing library of great courses that'll help you further your medical courier career. If you want to do live webinars with me and ask questions, get them answered on the spot, click on live webinars and then sign up. You literally can choose the date that you participate in the training. After training, you will get your proper certification showing compliance with OSHA 29 CFR 1910 1030, DOT 49 CFR 171 through 180, as well as HIPAA. You guys, why would you go anywhere else to get your OSHA and HIPAA certification? Integrity Medical is staffed by former lab employees and a couple of OSHA trainers. Integrity Medical Courier Training is uniquely qualified to provide you with the training and certification you need. So again, visit our website, sign up, whether it's automated, live, or even on site. We'll come train you at your place of business, but we've got everything you need, you guys. We'll see you soon. Don't forget, get your training from Integrity Medical.